When you're sending emails and text messages, be really careful about how you're phrasing them. I literally just got done with a trial where emails and text messages from my client were shown to 12 jurors plus an alternate that she didn't ever believe were going to be shown to jurors. And the problem with those emails and text messages is that they were admitting all kinds of things and seemed to imply things that she said that she was responsible for, that she said that she would pay for, were being shown to jurors. And the other side sued my client for millions of dollars based on these emails and text messages. Now, what the client had no idea about is something known as an oral contract or an implied in fact contract. What that means is even if you don't have a written and signed agreement, you can still potentially be held responsible and liable for your emails and text messages, especially if the other side is relying on them to take certain acts. So, for example, in my case, the other side claimed that my client told them to enter into a 10-year lease for some space, as well as the fact that my client would be paying for their entire build out, or at least 1/3 of their entire build out for this space. And there were emails and text messages where my client had talked about paying for 1/3 of the build out and asked about where to send the money for that build out. And there were emails where my client sent back a thank you to the other side after they said that they had signed the lease agreement. The email said, "Thanks for taking care of that." In that example, the relationship fell apart. Ultimately, both sides went their different ways, but the other side still wanted their money. So they sued my client for millions of dollars and took it all the way through to a jury trial. And not only did they ask for their millions of dollars that they claimed that my client damaged them, but they asked for punitive damages, meaning millions of dollars more. I'm glad to say that the jury found it our way, but it was very difficult. Seeing those emails and text messages put in front of the other side and put in front of the jury, it made the case very challenging to be able to overcome. So whenever you're sending emails and text messages, always think about how it could one day be read to a judge or a jury of your peers and act accordingly. If you have more questions about this or implied in fact contracts or contracts and partnerships in general, I'm attorney Parag Amin. Reach out to me. My office has handled numerous cases and litigated numerous cases just like that, and we're happy to help you.